Well, my friends, it's Max with Hike Camp. Back behind me is the Bighorn Mountains, Cloud Peak's up there. My dream mountain, if I ever get to it, I'm not sure. But anyway, today's hike, I'm already a mile in. And what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try and find, again, the new trail that's called Tensleep Trail. Here's where it gets confusing. Tensleep Trail is a connector trail between East Tensleep Lake Trail and Highline Trail up there. So when I get to the trailhead over there, if it's still marked after winter, I don't know. Yeah, we'll be back at it. But right now, I'm a mile in. Okay, at the trailhead. And trail number 068, which is East Tensleep Lake Trail, goes off that way. And the cutoff trail goes this way. Still no number on it, but I think it's 154. Don't quote me on that. Now let's get on with it. Okay, my friends, 4.25 miles in, and I'm at the meadow and middle fork of Tensleep Creek is right behind me here. And that's 4.2 miles from the car and a quarter mile yet to the Highline Trail. And I think I'm going to drop my pack here and I'm going to walk up to the Highline and get some pictures of the bridge up there and the junction with the Highline, and then I'm heading back. So, and I'm pooped already. So I'm going to take a little break, get something to eat, and then I'm going to hoof the rest of the way up there. Then I'm going to start back. Okay, made it to the junction of the Highline Trail, which I was wrong when I said it was 065, it's 067. And That right there is the cutoff or connector trail, whatever you want to call it. And this right here, going up the mountain, is the Highline Trail. I guess it's named after something. Haven't been on that one yet either. But that's for another day because I think that one will require a camp. So, I'm going to go down to the bridge where the Highline Trail crosses the middle fork at Tensleep Creek, and then I'm going to head back. Okay, my friends, that's it. And let's see. Well, my elevation gain was 664 feet. My elevation loss was 616 feet. My average speed was 1.3 miles per hour. So for an old guy with a 25-pound pack. And my maximum speed was 3.7 miles per hour. That was downhill. And my distance was 10.9 miles, almost 11. My maximum elevation was 8,813 feet, and my beginning elevation was 8,347 feet. So that's it for this time, folks. If I should live for another time. Wow, that kicked my butt again. I'm getting too old for this stuff. Till next time, this is Max with Hike Camp. Bye for now.